showing how to replace wipers and discs on our LH300/GS4H300s, which is also a 12-inch disc. So I'm going to sit the unit as if it was really sitting on a sump, skimming. So the first thing we would do, of course, is unplug the unit and then take the unit up out of the sump. We will start by taking the disc off first. You would take your disc out, of course, if you had a warped disc. Secondly, I will show how to replace the wipers. If your wipers were warped, you start by taking the 2 screws out. Get the replacement wipers. Now we'll reassemble the new wipers. Both wipers are the same size, so it don't matter really which wiper you put on which side. And notice this wiper sits a little lower than the top wiper. It's designed purposely like that for skimming purposes. The next thing I will do is put my new replacement disc back on. As you can see, you can start the disc right at the edge of the wiper, and you can just push it on through easy. The easiest way I found to screw it down is sitting the motor in the upward position, and you just want to turn the disc until it lines up perfect with the collar. The last step in this process is re-adding your set screws back to the collar. And that is how you successfully change wipers and a 12-inch disc on the LH300/GS4H300.